gonna ride all the rides, Thunder?
Yeah.
Yeah? Clementine, are you gonna ride all the rides, Clementine? Yeah?
I'm pretty horse, Mom.
Okay, we'll ride the horse.
Clementine, you want bumper cars?
You want bumper cars?
Wow!
Look at all they have yummy snacks.
Are the kids allowed there?
I think depending, as long as there's a dog.
Oh yes, yes. The kids can be passenger.
Are you excited for the teacup?
Here, Clementine.
We're going in the teacup. Clementine, the teacup, look. The teacup. We're too tall, baby?
Yeah, we're too tall.
Oh. Daddy will put you in, okay? Aww. Daddy will put you in. You're in the teacup. Come on, say hi. Princess. You're in the teacup like in Belle. Right, Babu? Like in Belle.
You want to sit next to each other?
Yeah.
So fun.
Okay, hold there. Okay, hold. Hold here. Hold.
So
Hold there, Thunder.
fun. Ah! There's like a lot of... You guys have fun, okay? Hi, Thunder. Hi, Clementine. Wow.
Bye.
Did you have fun, Thunder and Clementine?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fast. It was circling.
It's so fun.
Spinning.
Daddy.
Oh, good job.
Good.
Wants to ride another ride? Okay, where do you want to go next?
Daddy.
Oh, the Ferris wheel, Mamsi. Yeah.
Reason, Jason,
54 inch elevation.
Come on in, guys. It only takes two of you to start the race. There's a winner every race up.
Go, Clementine, go.
Yes, ladies, if you three are the only three.
Go, Clementine. Let's go, guys.
Babu, we're in the Ferris wheel together.
The
Yeah.
wheels, Mamsi, here.
We're circling. We're circling. We're circling, Clementine. Clementine. Is it lots of fun, Thunder?
Yeah. It's so higher.
And then what do you have to say about the Ferris wheel?
And we're spinning now.
You're spinning?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. That's true. Okay, so this should sit properly, Mommy. What are your thoughts on the Ferris wheel, Thunder?
Spinning.
Spinning too? That's good. See, we're on top. We can reach the sky. Right? So get some food, Clementine. You want some food? Thunder, do you want some food, Babu? Is the hot dog yummy, Babu? Yummy? Clementine, is the hot dog yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Water, we have water.
Here. Here.
Clementine, Thunder, we're going on the roller coaster.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Your first roller coaster, my goodness. Oh, wow. It's gonna be super fast. Clementine, super quick. You gotta hold on, okay? Good. Look at that roller coaster. Roller coaster, Clementine?
Yeah.
Look at that. Did you have fun on the roller coaster, Babu?
Yes, fun.
Yeah, good job. Ooh, that was a fun roller coaster, Thunder. You were so brave. Clementine, you're so brave. Thunder, high five. Clementine, high five.
My head is
Good job. You guys did so great.
You like it, the roller coaster?
Yeah.
That was so fun. Let's go find another ride, okay?
Yeah.
Babu, look, Raptor Run. You want to be in the spinning thing again, but in the dinosaur one?
Yeah, I never watched that.
You did watch it. Tell me that you want to go in the dinosaur one?
Yeah.
It's gonna be super fun.
Go, Thunder. Go, Clementine, go. Go to the back one, see.
Back?
Yeah.
There's one more.
Okay, let's go there. You okay? Yeah. Whoa! Oh, hold. Oh, whoa! Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Clementine. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Oh! Oh! Close your eyes. Wait, Nancy, let's rest first.
Ooh. Clementine, was it so fast?
Yeah.
Wow, you're so tough, guys. Thunder, you're so tough. You guys are so tough. You're able to ride the big people's ride. High five. High five, mommy. Good job, Thunder. High five, mommy.
Just covering it up.
Good job.
Covering it, she might vomit. Who's the driver?
Amir.
Thunder, hi. Wow, it's a nice red motorcycle that you have. Look, can I say hi?
Hi.
Have fun.
Hold on.
Thunder looks like frozen.
Bye, Thunder! Thunder is so cute. The Thunder is like...
Can.
Drive properly, drive! Bye, Thunder! Whoa! Wow, nice drive.
Good job. You guys are riding a motorcycle, Thunder. Let's go jump, Babu. Jump. Jump. You guys go one more jump. Yay. Thunder, let's go ride the fire truck, okay? Let's go ride the fire truck. Wanna ride the fire truck? You're having lots of fun. Come time?
Where's your best one?
You like the strawberry? Oh, okay. Do you want to come back to the carnival again, Thunder?
Yeah.
Yeah? Clementine, do you want to come back to the carnival again? Yeah. Good.